weekend in this April. I went on a 2-day, 1-night solo backpacking trip in Mountain Yonah, located in the North Georgia mountains. It's a popular spot for day hikes, rock climbing, and quick overnighters. It's a perfect place for a short solo getaway. Just like other mountains in the southeast, Mountain Yonah is not a tall mountain. It's slightly over 3,000 feet above the sea level, but it offers a steep hike. The trail itself is only about 2.3 miles to the summit, but with 1,500 elevation gain, so it's quite a solid workout for me. This is the first campsite I saw. There are totally about 5 or 6 campsites in this mountain. Wow, that's a big snake. That's the second campsite. Look at the view here. Wow, this is so beautiful. But it's a little bit dangerous. Well, this mountain is more popular than I thought. There are a couple of tents on the top of the mountain on the meadows. That was a quite good camping ground. It can easily fit like 5 to 6 tents, I think. I arrived pretty late. I just found another campsite, which is a little bit distant away from this middle section. My campsite is quite small, but easily fit myself. Not a lot of dead wood. Keeping the campfire is quite challenging. So definitely need to make a note on that. Yeah, this mountain is so beautiful, especially on the other side, the cliff of the mountain. Now also, before starting the hike, I met a group of soldiers back in the trailhead. I asked for permission. They are totally fine with this. They were pretty happy for me to take a video of them. They said that this mountain has been their training ground for a long time, and the mountain is a very good spot for them to train some like a rescue mission. And also this mountain have a giant wall and it's perfect place for climbing. So those soldiers told me that they usually just climb there, learning how to rappel. I'm quite surprised that they share with me their training schedule for tomorrow and Sunday. And they said I am welcome to visit their campground and to take some videos about the training. Hi, good morning. It was not good sleep. The wind was trying to kill me. Mountain Yonah is one of the best climbing spots in North Georgia. The granite face is a popular training ground. So, do you know what's the number there? Is the number names for the route? Different routes?
I don't know. I guess so. 8, 6, 5, yeah, maybe. The people that are leading the trip, they're at the top, so they know a little more.
Oh, okay.
We don't know any. We're students, and we're on like
you're students.
School trip.
Yeah.
So which school?
UGA.
UGA. Okay, I know.
Yeah.
Nice.
What, bro?
Oh, it's stuck there.
It's stuck, guys.
It's all balled up. Oh, there we go.
Nice.
Still stuck.
With solid rock and a variety of routes for all skill levels. It's a favorite for both beginners and experienced climbers.